It's like pretty.
All right, Sammy. So what we got here?
My man bought this in.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor
You know you can't go wrong with Harbor Freight tools.
I left my shit. Oh, sorry. I left all my tools. So came to Harbor Freight. So we're gonna do this.
Oh, good. What is that? What is that?
It's that primer for yellow.
Ooh, yellow primer. So finished doing all the body work, the sanding, shape it up. It's looking good. Looking fresh. Close the door. All right. Yo, hey, van a pintar aquí. So, hold on, let me. Right, so, I'm gonna close. Look at these guys.
Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love this.
So that's the first base coat. Look how it's looking so far. Nice, rich. Woo!
That's the first one. See that?
High already, yo, shit.
That yellow.
Is fully assembled. Got the lower control arms. The rack is installed, and everything looks clean. Looks very clean. Look at that. Yes. All right, so just gotta get it ready to put it back in the car. So, got the car on the jack stand. So, I'm going to finish. I'm gonna finish undercoating the rest of the stuff. There's gonna be undercoat. It's gonna stay black. I have to tape this off to make it look clean, just like that. And yeah, once everything else is undercoated, let me see. This thing too. My bad. This thing and that thing needs to be undercoated. So I'm about to go get a can of undercoat the rest of the stuff, and that's it. I can install my subframe back, my original subframe with the modified 𝐥𝐸𝐬 rack brackets. You know what I'm saying? So it's coming along. It's a lot of detail stuff, but it's coming along. I'm very happy. Alright, so just finished installing the subframe. I might have to take it off again, but whatever. I don't mind. It's not that bad. But just want to make sure that everything aligns, everything is good. Looking very clean. Check that out. Very, very clean. And you know what? Yo, this is all paint. That's crazy. I was thinking of powder coating this, but I didn't have the time to do that. I needed to rush this job, but it looks pretty clean. Very surprised and happy with the outcome. Alright, so what's next is pretty much sanding this down again and, you know, prep it, prime it, and then get it ready for paint. Boy, yeah, coming along. Finally some progress. Woo!